you about to lose it?
What's that?
Go ahead and give me a little bit about who you are and what you do.
All right. I'm with Centipede Tool. My name's Keith. I'm one of the founding partners of Centipede Tool. And what we have for you is the Centipede Sawhorse. So I'm going to show you our 4-foot by 4-foot model. It weighs about 20 pounds. It really couldn't be any easier to set up. This thing's virtually indestructible. You drop boards on it, you drop tools on it, it's going to keep springing back so that it keeps folding up. Every kit comes with X cups. So with 4 X cups in every kit, you have a pair of sawhorses. Also in every kit, quick clamps. Just a wedge tension clamp that'll hold a bench top or a tabletop in place for the day. Lift up on the back, slides right out. And again, it's virtually indestructible. Certainly if you drop any boards or any tools on it, it's going to spring back so that it keeps folding up tight.
Show them what you showed me with the weight capacity. Let me see that picture.
So this is the 2x4 unit under a full bunk of plywood. Obviously we do not recommend this. It has a capacity of 2,500 pounds, but it does have a ridiculous capacity because these steel struts are resting directly between the load and the ground, allowing it to hold an incredible amount of weight.
So give me the prices.
We have 4 different units. We have the 2-foot by 2-foot, 2-foot by 4-foot, 4-foot by 4-foot, and 4-foot by 8-foot. It's at a variety of prices. Here at the show, the 2x2 is 40. We're sold out of the 2x4, so we'd have to do, if we ship one to you, it's 60. The 4x4 is 90, and the 4x8 is 120.
And where can they find it online?
Go to centipedesupport.com, and on there you can either buy it directly from us or you can get a list of our retailers from there.
Hey, I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
I'm hoping I'm getting that.
Getting up close. Well, I'm actually filming.
I'm leaving you these 4. Decided to.
Well, you want it big.
Okay, come on in here. Come in right behind me so that we can see you. I want to catch all of you back here.
What's that big section? A celebrity over there or something.
This is what they ever do. Look at all the beehives this young man has putting his shirt on. And what really cracks me up is the polish. That's not enough.
Okay. Yes, I just
That's where I cut, you know, that piece of molding. Show you don't bring some molding clean. That's that piece of clear sugar. What? I cut one of those mini burnishes. I know he made the base today, but shit, my other season's fucked.
Leatherman serves. The only one besides me? What? No, Leatherman? Leatherman serves. Leatherman serves.